You're watching How Leap. Let's fix ChatGPT not working or loading errors. First, check your internet connection and try loading another website to confirm it's stable. Next, refresh your ChatGPT browser page or restart the app. Clear your browser's cache and cookies if you're on the web, as stored data can cause conflicts. Ensure you are using a supported browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge and that it is updated to the latest version. Disable any browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, as they might interfere with the site. Try opening ChatGPT in an incognito or private browsing window. If the problem persists, check OpenAI's system status page online to see if there is a known service outage. On the mobile app, ensure you have the latest update installed from your app store. You can also try logging out of your account and logging back in. As a last resort, restart your device to clear any temporary system issues. If none of these steps work, the issue may be on OpenAI's servers, and you may need to wait for them to resolve it. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.